The video that you're about to watch is one of the main reasons why a lot of good brothers out there do not go the extra mile. Because when they really decide to show appreciation, women like this is one of the main reasons why a lot of good men don't do the things they used to do anymore. But then again, don't take my words for it. Let's watch the video and let me know what you think in the comments below.
So real quick, I just want to talk to the guys real fast. I got these flowers like 3 days ago. And the person who gave them to me just gave them like this. No vase, no water, no flower food. Just this. All I'm really saying is, although the gesture is very nice and I appreciate it, no shade at all, because the person who gave them to me gave them from his heart, I'm sure. Or at least I would hope so, right? But it just seems like a little half-assed, Bring the vase, guys. Just simply bring the vase. Please do. Because when you do it like this, these flowers have been dying in my house on the floor. I don't know if you can see, but they're wilting. Like this one, he's so sad. This one.
The first thing that I've noticed, of course, is how ungrateful she is. But there are other things that we're going to talk about first. What I've come to understand is that maybe she has not been receiving flowers for a long time. Or she's probably never sent flowers to nobody. Because from the time that I've been sending flowers myself, if you're going to be transparent here, when you go on the website to buy flowers, you're going to see there's going to be bouquet and there's going to be flower vase. Which means they are optional. You could either get a bouquet or you get a flower vase set. What she has in her hand is a bouquet, which means it doesn't come with a vase, right? This is probably something she got when they went out on a date, which is also self-explanatory, right? The second thing that I've also noticed on top of her being ungrateful is that this is mad disrespectful, because the person who gave you those flowers is probably gonna see that. Me as the dude who gave you that flower, I would probably stop talking to you. I don't care how much I valued you in my life, but for you to go on social media and talk about my business, knowing there's probably friends, there's probably family members watching you, exposing me, while all I was thinking about is giving you something to show you that I was thinking about you, is mad disrespectful. I believe this guy is one phone call away to the point where you could have just expressed everything to the guy instead of going on TikTok to talk about the things that you didn't have any business talking about. But then again, that's the problem in today's reality. Everybody want to make a story. Everybody want to find a clout. Everybody want to talk about something despite what they are talking about could be hurting them back. If you are worrying so much about not getting a vase, why don't you go to Dollar Tree? If you have Dollar Tree in your city or state, why don't you go to Walmart and buy an empty vase? Because the type of flower you got was designed to be exactly in what it is. It's supposed to be a bouquet. When people receive bouquet, they usually have a vase at home where they put it in water and then they let it flourish. That's the situation. For you to just drop it on the ground, that's also disrespectful. For you to be giving mixed signals, saying things like, yeah, I'm pretty sure the person who sent it to me was really thinking about me the time that he sent it to me, and he did that from a place of love, is mad annoying for you to even be saying things like that, because you are not being considerate. You are not being appreciative. You are not really thinking through what you are saying simply because you want to blame somebody for making the effort of trying to give you a smile. And that's one of the biggest issues in today's reality. A lot of people are not grateful. They are not grateful because they're always expecting more, while the entire time they probably never used to have more until they met that specific someone. She sounds like she doesn't even receive flowers as much as she would expect somebody to send her flowers, right? So why are you tripping? You finally get you some flowers. The vase that you have at work, not at home, another explanation showing that, yo, you have not been receiving flowers for a long time. So what you need to do is appreciate what the guy did and go find that vase at home and put that flower in it. Just that simple. Because one, you could have called the guy and tell him exactly what's going on. Or if you are not a flower woman, you could have also tell the guy that you are not a flower person. But you didn't have to go on social media trying to disrespectfully mask how ungrateful you are. So moral of the story, ladies, don't be like this girl.